guys, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to do the T-step triangle. This move takes a lot of coordination, so stay with me. The T-step is the same T-step, heel, toes, heel, toes. The only thing that changes is my decoration leg. With my right leg, I'm doing this. Toes to the back, bring your knee up. Heel to the right, bring your knee high. Toes to the front, bring your knee high and switch. Again. Toes and heel and toes and switch. Toes and heel and toes and switch. And guess what? I'm doing the same thing to the other side. So I switched and I'm going toes, heel, toes, switch again. Toes, heel, toes, switch one more time. Toes, heel, toes, and switch. Now I'm adding the T-step. So here's the rule. Whenever my heel is turning in, my decoration leg is touching one of the points. I'll say it again. Whenever my heel is in, my decoration leg is touching one of the points of the triangle. When I bring my toes back to the center, my knee is coming up. I'll explain. Heel is turning in, I'm touching the back. Now, I want to bring everything back to the center. So I turn my toes in and I bring my knee up. Whoop! Now, I want to keep moving. So I'm turning my heel again and I'm touching with my heel. Whoop! And I bring everything back. Now I touch the front with my toes. I bring it back and I switch to the other side. Heel is turning in first. Toes up. Heel up. Toes to the front and switch. Other side, let's go. Back and side and front and switch. Back, side, front, switch one more time. Back, side, front, switch. Last time. Back, side, front, and switch. Let's go over some tips and tricks that can really help you. You really want to make sure that you remember what the decoration leg is doing. Toes and heel and toes and switch. Toes and heel and toes and switch. The most annoying thing to remember is the toes to the front. People always get confused with the toes to the front. Okay, so we did back and side and front on the toes and switch. After I touch the front, I bring the knee up again so I can switch. And I start with the back and side and front and switch. Now you really want to make sure you know how to do the T-step. Heel, toes, heel, toes, heel, toes, switch. Heel, toes, heel, toes, heel, toes, switch. Now you have to remember to count. Okay, I'm doing 3 T-steps to the right and switch. 3 to the left and switch. 1 and 2 and 3 and switch. 1 and 2 and 3 and switch. Let's put some music. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please keep practice this move. Love you, and I'll see you in the next one.